I'm gonna eat this and then I'll get ready and go to a coffee shop to finish my 6-page essay, which I have not started on. I did kind of glance at the instructions and it's kind of long. Usually I don't recommend the things that I make on camera because I feel like most of them are mediocre, but this breakfast was actually really good. So if you need breakfast ideas, I suggest PB&J French toast with strawberries and blackberries or whatever fruit you want. I did my nails this pretty red color. Well, it looks really bright on camera, but it's a little bit darker. I did it because it's like fall, autumn, you know, that season, and I was like, maybe it matches with the weather. I don't know if it does, but I do like it. Like, I haven't done a really dark color on my nails in a very long time. I'm gonna use this ColourPop glitter on my eyelids. I'm using this Tarte concealer in Tan Golden for under my eyes. Here's the outfit for today. It's super basic, and my umbrella because it's raining outside still. Okay, I'm gonna go now. This has been really, really fun. It's a lot colder outside than I thought it was, but I finished around half of my essay, I think a little bit more while I was there. It took me a lot longer to find sources than I thought it would, but you know, I finished half of it, so I think I'm gonna go home and eat dinner. I was debating what to make for dinner. I think I'll make spring rolls. Instead of spring rolls, I decided to make pasta. I was kind of scared that spring rolls would take a long time to make, and it is almost 10 p.m. So I have 2 more hours until I need to submit my essay. Oh, it's boiling. I submitted 1 minute before the deadline, but it's done. I can't tell if I like my outfit or not. I'm just gonna work on campus. I have a test on Monday for neurophysiology. I did my eyeliner, but I can't tell if it's even on both sides. If it is not even, don't tell me, because that's just gonna make me sad because I spent so long doing it and it still looks weird. I guess I have bigger problems to worry about. Let's go.
I'm a Swift